As a professional music video editor, today I'm going to teach you how to create insane mixed media paint stop motion effects for music videos. Let's go. I'm inside of After Effects. I have two clips right here. The top layer right here is rotoscope. It's just the exact same one. If you don't know how to rotoscope, you can check out this video linked right here. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a new adjustment layer. You're going to layer, hit new, and create a new adjustment layer. And then I'm gonna go to my effects and presets, and I'm gonna search for the posterize time effect. Apply the posterize time to your adjustment layer, and then change the frame rate to 12, or you can do 10. And now what this is gonna do is it's gonna create that like very stop motion-ish feel to the video, and it just lowers the frame rate essentially. So now this next part, you're going to need some third-party overlays. Now you can go get some overlays on YouTube. You can get some for free. We have a free sample at our website linked down below, but I'm gonna be using the overlays from my paint stop motion pack. So this pack is available on our site. It has like a bunch of different paint stop motion animations in 4K, and they have to be over a black screen. So that's very important. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab, let's do these crosses over here, and then I'm gonna apply this one, and then I'm gonna do one more. Let's do a box. I believe there's a box one. And as I mentioned, we have a free sample of this linked down below as well. Very important. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to select these and make sure you see the mode right here. If you can't see the mode, just hit toggle switches and modes. It should show up. And then we're gonna change this from normal to screen. And voila, just like that. Now it is all transparent. We can see through the black, and I'm gonna move these two layers below my rotoscope layer. I changed my rotoscope layer to orange so that we can see it. And now I have this really cool paint effect, but let's go ahead and arrange it so that it actually looks nice. Maybe I'll start with the boxes and then I'll switch to the crosses later on. We can start with this, and then I can hit Command Shift D, delete this part, and then, so we have a box. Yeah, this is looking pretty sick so far. One thing to note is that the stop motion animations are already in 12 frames per second. So it might like double lower the frame rate if you're running into those issues. But yeah, this is looking honestly pretty good so far. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply some camera shakes. So this one, you do need our free sample for this camera shake effect. I've linked down to it below, but we also have a full pack of over 50 camera shake presets. Create another adjustment layer. Once again, my hotkey for adjustment layers is literally Shift A, and it just automatically creates an adjustment layer. Now I'm gonna search for the hit shake it up effect. Now this is the free sample I've linked to below, and I apply that to my adjustment layer, and boom, we have these crazy like camera shake effects being applied to our video. So you can, this is honestly a stylistic thing. If you want to do the camera shakes below the frame rate so that it's all like within the low frame rate style setting, you can do that as well. Or if you want to put it on top, you can do that as well. So I'm going to go with it below. I think that looks pretty good. And then I might just hit Command D, duplicate it one more time, and apply one in the very beginning. So now we have two camera shakes, and we have some paint effects being applied behind our subject. This is looking really sick so far. Now, one last thing to essentially wrap all this up together is we are going to apply a textured overlay. So these textured overlays are very, very important. In our paint animation pack, we do have a paper texture overlay. And basically what it is it's just a bunch of grainy paper textures. And then when I just go ahead and scale that up and change the blend mode to screen, voila, we have this insane paper texture being applied to our music video. It looks super sick. And there we have it. We have some crazy looking paint effects. I'm gonna apply a Lumetri color. This is just bugging me. I forgot to color grade this. Okay, cool. Now our clip is a little bit more color grade. But yeah, there you guys have it. Completely customizable. Hope you guys found something useful. If you want to check out the full paint pack and camera shake pack with over 50 plus overlays and presets, they're linked down below. Now, if you want to learn how to automatically edit music videos to the beat of the song and apply visual effects like these paint effects automatically in one click, you can check out this video linked right here.